G'day gang. Yeah, just started raining by the look of this. Perfect timing. Not. Went out for a trot the other day and I smelt some fuel when I pulled up, and I had noticed a couple of times when I'd put fuel in there was a couple of drips going down, and there's I'd call pretty sketchy sort of a coupling between the filler and the tank itself. Now I've known it's been there for, well, 13 years I suppose, and I think that piece of hose they've used as like a snubber to get the sizes up, because well, I'll give you a look over here. The size of the pipe is 50 mil that comes out of off the filler. I've cut this piece off another filler neck, and the size of the pipe coming out of the tank is 60 ID. So I figured, well, where's the torch? We'll go on with a quick squiz as long as the rain's not too. No, we might be all right. So I can poke up under the mudguard with the torch. I don't know if you can see it there, because I can't see what you can see. But anyway, we'll find out eventually. So I've got to take up that difference. I'm going to use that pipe there as a coupler. And I've got this larger pipe. And let's have a look. Put you down there for a sec. Try and make that fit into that nice and neatly. And I thought, well, what I could probably do is take the toe ball and a hammer, tappy tap 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 tap, and put that in until it became this. Now this will fit oh, too far. Oh, yeah, she's raining. Old Chev's going to get a wash bottle. Look at that. I'll have to go and put her away. A bit cattywampus. There we go. Not bad. A couple of little spots there. Next is I'm going to try and solder it on with this resin core. I don't have any flux. I've got some solid solder up there, but I'll see if I can run some solder around it. Then I'll cut this off at the length I require. Bam! There's my adapter. I'll come back, I'll see if I can get a bit of solder on it. So I'm not exactly sure how I went. Didn't mind sticking to this, but it wasn't fussy about sticking to that. But as soon as that's cooled down a bit, that might be a little hole there. As soon as that's cooled down a bit, I'll clean it up and see if there's any I can't see any voids in through the back of it. So that might be all right. So here you can see what I'm talking about. That's 50. That's ID 60. There's a bit of hose in between, and you can see it's all crinkled up there. Look at that. Yeah, it was like that when I got the vehicle. There's another clamp underneath it. Look. And I knew it was like that, but it hadn't leaked, and so I left it be. So now we'll just see what we can do about getting this to this to fit in. We'll get these clamps and stuff off it, and we'll get a better look. Oh yeah, I'll pretty much see what's going on now. Right there, it's all, something's going on. So I'll see if I can separate all this lot. It looks a little different to the way I thought it was. But we'll see how we go. Yeah, well, there's the bit of rubber I've used as a filler. Now, how am I going to go about this? Just how far is that? Oh, I don't know. Yeah, well. Well. Okay. I'm going to have to come back and think about that. That's not going to work. It's a good idea though. Oh, we'll get it anyway. That's going to have to sit back inside more. Well. I have to rethink that one. What a bugger. Oh well. Yeah. I don't know. If I get a piece of pipe that's snugly fitted, I suppose we might be able to get it in there. Use that as a snub. Solder it onto here. That might be where we end up going. Well, that's a bugger. Can't all be winners. Think something over. Have yourselves a good one. We'll check you later. Cheers. Bugger. Well. Well, sometimes you just got to re-jerry rig the jerry riggins. One clamp now. We'll see how that goes. I think it'll be alright. I've got this stuffed in there really good now. Wet some grease in there. Give it a good shove. This pipe actually goes way back up inside there, so yeah, that'll do until I can figure out a better alternative. So I just came back from doing a lap, all left-handers. Let's see what we got. I can't smell anything. I can't see anything. Okay. That'll do me. For now. Well, I'll come up with a better alternative.